Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing terrific. Today's video we are talking about the best curbside deals for the week of May the 21st. You're hitting that blue box on the left hand side, desktop computer, tablet, or your cell phone, ordering these items through the comforts of your home, driving to the store or walking to the store, going to the photo counter and saying, "Hi, my name is Jane Smith, I'd like my order." And then the employee will say, "Absolutely." And then with a giant smile on their face, they'll give you your order and you'll be so happy with all of your savings. So pretty easy task for curbside. Any deals with register rewards, for example, such as the Garnier Fructis, you have to do those in store. Register rewards do not print with these curbside pickup deals. In store only for register rewards, and we're not touching any of these deals in today's video. I understand that some shoppers, you like to go in the store and look around and make these deals happen. You're just not into this curbside stuff. If you want to watch this video from Sunday, the first half of the video is just basic, easy deals, rolling using Walgreens cash and like how to make some stuff happen. I'll link this video at the end. And if you love Doritos, Lay's, Pepsi, that good stuff for your Memorial Day weekend, check out this video where I get these bags of Lay's for $4.79 down to $1.79. You can do this one curbside or in store. I think curbside is an extra 20 cents of savings per bag. Check this video out, also linked at the end. If you could do me a huge kindness and please take a second and like this video, you're really helping out my channel. I would be so grateful. So stop what you're doing right now, like this video, and I thank you so much. Okay, so this little friend, Sunday, Monday, not working. Tuesday morning, which is the 23rd, I finally found healthy summer products, and it's going to make you laugh. If you wish to skip ahead, this is the timestamp if you wish to see my healthy breakdowns. Okay, so the first deal that we have, we are looking at grabbing 2 of the Dollar Shave Club razors for $9.99. Father's Day is just around the corner, so this might be a deal for you. The promotion for this is to spend $10, get $3 back in Walgreens cash this week. But we also have this, which is a $9.99 off of 2, valid till the first week of June. So you choose when you want to do this deal. Throwing 2 of these into a basket for $19.98. Bit of tax, our digital coupon coming off. With your debit card, pay that $11.19 because the promotion is to spend 10, earn 3, I believe. So there's some weird verbiage there. So yeah, it shakes this out to a really good deal, $7 for the 2. Photograph your receipt too to the Fetch Rewards app because I believe Fetch might have a couple of bucks back for one of these razors if you might be so lucky with that rebate. Okay, the next deal that we have, deal number 2, curbside. We're going to grab 2 of these stem. It's some sort of fancier like bug spray, that sort of a thing, for $8.99. Throw 2 of those into a basket. They have a whole host of them too. You don't have to get the exact same one as I. $17.98. We have a $7.50 off of 2. Sometimes IBOTTA has rebates for these as well. So this is valid till the 30th. So looking at this in a basket, $17.98. The coupon's coming off. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.56 and call this a pretty good deal to get 2 of these bug sprays, bug repellents for outside, especially if you're going out for Memorial Day weekend on the lake or whatever. The mosquitoes are pretty bad. So, just an opportunity for some cheaper bug spray. Okay, the next deal that we're going to be looking at is deal number 3. We are going to be grabbing 2 of these Vitafusion calcium supplements for $14.99. Guys, I just threw this in, but if you wanted to get just a regular vitamin or something like that, 100 count, they're on BOGO 50% off. Also make sure that you have this digital coupon, which is a 10 off of 2. And it's also valid on little critters, so if you have kids and you want to get them supplements, 2 of them in a basket is $22.48. Curbside pickup is free. Our $10 coupon is melting off right there. So you know what I would do in this situation? Use $10 of Walgreens cash and pay $2.48 and call this a very smart deal. Okay, so I just wanted to point this out. A lot of us got a couple $3 Hallmark Father's Day digital coupons. And there's a lot of cards in the app showing for $1.99, $1.49, which would be amazing. However, I'm going to let you guys know you can't pick up these cards for whatever reason. Like, it's showing at a cheap price, but if you try to add them to a basket, you get this error message of doom. I tried to do a couple different baskets with Hallmark to try to, to throw these in and see what happens. And no such luck. So I think something is up. I'm not sure when they're going to put these in stock. Maybe your store is completely different than up here. But I tried stores in like northern Texas to Ohio to Michigan, and it seems like nobody has these Father's Day cards in stock as of right now. Okay, so this crazy booster, valid till June the 24th, $10 at Walgreens cash when you spend $30 on healthy summer products. So I found a couple healthy summer products. I'm going to let you also know that when you look these items up in the app, this booster is not showing that it's attaching. So you just have to add it to the basket and see what is and is not attaching. So it's a trickier one, that is for sure. Okay, so the first deal that we have with Healthy Summer, of course, have it loaded. And if you had another booster like, 6-pack when you spend 22, stacking those two together, more savings. But for this, I threw in 2 of the Nexus hairsprays. The promotion for this, I believe, is to spend 25, get back 10 or something like that. But it's spend X or spend 30, get back 10, something like that for Nexus this week. We have an 8 off a 2, so load this digital coupon. And I'm going to show you the matchup right here. But it doesn't say that it's part of this promotion when you look up Nexus in the app. But the app's been so buggy this week. Putting $35 in the basket, this Nexus stuff is really expensive, guys. Free curbside pickup. Our digital coupon is coming off. With your debit card, you're going to have to pay that $30 because this is spend 25 to earn back $10 in Walgreens cash for Nexus. And with the promotion to spend $30 on Healthy Summer, get back 10. So you have 2 of those. But as you can see, guys, I'm getting $20 back. So I believe this specific shampoo is part of Healthy Summer. So there you have it. The final deal that we have, it's with the sunscreen. So we're going to have our best friend loaded. And like the Kenny Rogers song, The Gambler, I would definitely hang on to this one because this deal is good, but it's not great. I want to get a deal where Hawaiian Tropic or one of these brands, a Banana Boat, is giving back something a lot larger for us. So this just doesn't line up today. This booster is valid till the middle or the end of June. So let's hang on to it. For fun, I just threw $30 of Hawaiian Tropic into a basket because Hawaiian Tropic and Banana Boat, we have a lot of coupons right now for these products, like a ton. So obviously go and load all of these digital coupons. Like this one's valid till July, June, they're all there. A lot of these sun care products too, in store, they have hang tag coupons as well. If you're like, I don't have any of these, if you wish to do this in store later, there's usually $2 hang tags. Okay, so looking at my overall basket, guys, $36, free curbside pickup, $10 coming off in digital. So you'd pay $28 with your debit card and get 10 back. So if you possibly had a booster like spend 25, get back 7, like another booster like that, and then the week that Banana Boat is giving us back a little something, either in store or like, spend X, get something back, that's the only way I can reconcile doing this deal right now. To pay $20 for 4 of these, way too expensive. That's just my opinion, unless you're in desperate need of sunscreen and you think this is a good deal. But I just wanted to show you 2 examples that this booster is finally working. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.